Technology is constantly evolving, and the world is always on the lookout for the next big thing. That being said, although the GPT model's benefits are evident to some, there's something even bigger that has gone unnoticed by many. On January 21st, 2023, Scale AI hosted a GPT-3 themed hackathon where the winning project showed that you're able to create pseudo functions within GPT-3's imagination. Luckily for us, the findings were released on GitHub, allowing us to create our own. To demonstrate these capabilities, let's create the backend of a to-do app. First, let's create a basic JSON file that'll allow ChatGPT to store its memory long-term, as well as give it an example or two on how we want the data structured. Then we can just hop into a Python file and import the OpenAI library and initialize it using your API key. Now we can start crafting our API call function. Each time this function is called, we'll first want to check the current JSON data to give GPT the most updated information. In the actual call to the GPT API, we'll utilize some prompt engineering to do the heavy lifting for our app. All we need to do is tell GPT that it's a to-do app backend and to respond as one would, while giving it the JSON data and the pseudo function to interpret. Then, before we return the response answer, we'll set up some predefined function names that will allow the API to update the JSON file. And that's literally it. In less than a minute, we have a fully functional to-do list app backend. To test our backend API, let's pick two functions that don't currently exist but are easy to be interpreted. We'll just simply wrap these functions inside of our call function, like so. And in case it isn't obvious, the add to list function in this case should add the string and completed status to our JSON file, and the return all items function should return the current JSON file data. And this is the expected console output that we successfully received. We can even verify that the JSON file data has been updated as well. To verify ChatGPT is actually interpreting any function name we give to it, we can try a function that should return all non-completed items. The expected output in this case should be go to school and brush teeth, which is exactly what we get. Now remember, this was just a brief and low-level overview of what is possible using this method. I'm almost certain that as this technology improves further, backends will slowly become a thing of the past, and will all live inside the imagination of a large language model. Like, think about it. For the first time in history, humans can build robust systems in minutes with little effort. And where will it go from here? Only time will tell. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.